FAQs about Anubias barteri. As a passionate aquarist, I've had the pleasure of working with various aquatic plants, and Anubias barteri is one of my favorites. This hardy plant is a popular choice for many aquariums due to its resilience and aesthetic appeal. In this article, I'll answer some frequently asked questions about Anubias barteri, covering everything from planting and propagation to care tips and common problems. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced aquarist, these insights will help you get the most out of this versatile plant. What is Anubias barteri? Anubias barteri is a robust, slow-growing aquatic plant native to West Africa. It belongs to the Araceae family and is well known for its thick, dark green leaves. This plant can thrive both fully submerged and partially immersed, making it an excellent choice for aquariums, paludariums, and even terrariums. Its sturdy nature allows it to withstand a wide range of water conditions, from low to high light and varying water hardness, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned aquarists alike. See more 8 species in genus Anubias at monsteraholic.com. How to plant Anubias barteri? Planting Anubias barteri is straightforward, but it's important to do it correctly to ensure the plant's health. This plant is unique because it has a rhizome, a horizontal stem from which roots and leaves grow. When planting Anubias barteri, make sure the rhizome is not buried. You can attach it to rocks, driftwood, or other decorations in your tank using thread or fishing line. Over time, the roots will naturally anchor themselves. Burying the rhizome can cause it to rot, which will ultimately kill the plant. How to propagate Anubias barteri? Propagating Anubias barteri is quite simple. This plant naturally propagates through rhizome division. To propagate, carefully cut a piece of the rhizome, ensuring each section has at least a few leaves and roots attached. You can then attach these new rhizome sections to other surfaces in your aquarium, just like the parent plant. This method allows for the easy spread of Anubias barteri throughout the tank, creating a lush, green environment. Can you bury Anubias barteri in gravel? One common mistake is burying the Anubias barteri rhizome in gravel. As mentioned earlier, the rhizome should remain exposed to prevent rot. While the roots can penetrate the substrate, the rhizome itself should be attached above ground to a stable object like a rock or piece of driftwood. If you prefer planting it in gravel, ensure only the roots are covered, and the rhizome stays above the substrate. How big does Anubias barteri grow? Anubias barteri is a slow-growing plant, but it can reach a substantial size over time. On average, it can grow up to 12 inches tall, with leaves reaching up to 4 inches in length. Its size makes it an excellent mid-ground to background plant, depending on the size of your aquarium. Regular trimming of older leaves can help maintain its size and shape, ensuring it doesn't overshadow other plants. Anubias barteri versus Anubias nana. A common point of confusion is the difference between Anubias barteri and Anubias nana. While both belong to the same species and share similar care requirements, they differ in size. Anubias nana is a dwarf variety, typically growing to about half the size of Anubias barteri. Its smaller size makes it ideal for foreground planting or for use in smaller aquariums. Both varieties are equally hardy and can be propagated and planted in the same way. How to care for Anubias barteri? Caring for Anubias barteri is relatively easy, which is why it's so popular. This plant thrives in a wide range of water conditions. It prefers low to moderate lighting, as too much light can cause algae growth on its leaves. Regular water changes and a steady flow of water help keep it healthy. Adding a liquid fertilizer can promote growth, especially in nutrient-poor water, but it's not strictly necessary. Prune dead or yellowing leaves to maintain the plant's health and aesthetic appeal. Can you grow Anubias barteri indoors? Yes, Anubias barteri can be grown indoors in aquariums or as a semi-aquatic plant in paludariums and terrariums. It's an excellent plant for indoor setups because it doesn't require intense lighting or special care. As long as it's provided with clean, well-filtered water and not exposed to direct sunlight, it will thrive indoors. Is Anubias barteri toxic? Anubias barteri is not toxic to fish, invertebrates, or humans, making it a safe addition to any freshwater aquarium. Its hard, tough leaves are also resistant to most herbivorous fish, which tend to leave it alone. This makes it an excellent choice for tanks with plant-eating species. Common problems with Anubias barteri. While Anubias barteri is a hardy plant, it can face some common issues. Algae growth. High light levels can lead to algae growing on the leaves. Keeping light levels moderate and ensuring good water circulation can help prevent this. Yellowing leaves. This can be due to nutrient deficiencies, poor water quality, or old age. Regular water changes and the occasional use of liquid fertilizer can help. Rotting rhizome. This usually occurs if the rhizome is buried in the substrate. Always ensure the rhizome is above the substrate to avoid rot. What plants go well with Anubias barteri? Anubias barteri pairs well with a variety of other aquatic plants. It complements the textures of Java fern, cryptocorin, and Java moss beautifully. Because it does not require high light, it can also be paired with other low-light plants, making it versatile for many types of aquascapes. Benefits of Anubias barteri. Adding Anubias barteri to your aquarium provides numerous benefits. It helps oxygenate the water, provides hiding spots for fish and invertebrates, and can contribute to a natural, balanced ecosystem. Its hardy nature and easy care requirements make it an excellent plant for aquarists of all experience levels. By understanding these aspects of Anubias barteri, you can enjoy this plant's beauty and benefits in your aquarium for many years. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your aquatic garden, Anubias barteri is a reliable and rewarding choice.